Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to disable two-step verification on Roblox. So first of all guys, you have to go to click on this gear icon and go to in settings. Once in the settings, you just need to go to this security option, and now you will see this two-step verifications here. To disable it, yeah, guys, you just need to click on these toggle buttons to disable it. So there are three two-step verification. First is authenticator app, and this is very one of the secure way. And the second one is email. It is also secure, and the security keys. And this is also very secure method of providing a layer over your account. So to disable it, you have to keep these toggle button to turn off, and you just need to click on this toggle button to disable it. And these methods have a different method. Like in authenticator app, it generates a unique security key and it will ask you to upload those keys. Fine. And then in email, it will send a security code at your specific email. And in security keys, yes, it will generate hard security keys like fingerprint and facial recognitions. And so this is how it works, and you just need to keep all these disabled in two-step verifications. So when you disable it, it will ask you to enter your password, and once you enter your password correctly, your step verification will be disabled. Fine. So yes, that's how it goes. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.